In Java, you use packages to organize related classes. Now, everyone likes packages, particularly on Christmas, but in Java, we use them all year long. Classes that have one responsibility get put in one package, and classes with a different responsibility in a different one. For example, you've seen the package called java.util quite a bit. It contains various utility classes such as scanner, ArrayList, arrays, random, and so on. That's one aspect of packages, to group related classes together. There's another useful aspect. The second aspect has to do with names. Unfortunately, in real life, names aren't always unique. There may be more than one person called Fred, and if you refer to Fred, they may all feel that they are the one. That's of course why last names were invented, so that hopefully the first and last names are unique. Now with people that's no longer the case, but with packages and classes it actually is. A package name is intended to be unique around the entire world. There's only one Java util package, and even though there may be other packages that have a scanner class, java.util.scanner is unique. And you can actually reference in your programs the scanner class as java.util.scanner everywhere, and say things like java.util.scanner in equals new java.util.scanner. That's a little tedious, of course, which is why the import statement was invented. When you say import java.util.scanner, that means that from then on, you can drop the family name and just use scanner. These two statements then mean the exact same thing. This is the sole purpose of the import statement, to allow you to use only the class name, or the first name, so to speak, without having to use the package name. Now let me show you how to use packages in your own code. So let's suppose that you have a class that you want to put into a package. All you have to do is put this statement, starting with the word package, and then the name of the package on the top of the source file. Package names are supposed to be unique, and most companies use their domain name written in reverse order, such as com.udacity instead of udacity.com, because domain names are guaranteed to be unique. Maybe you have your own domain name, but if you're not, Udacity in its infinite generosity will allow you to use theirs for the following exercises. Now when you want to use this class, you do what you've always done when you imported a class. You just use the import statement, and then you get to use the class in the normal way. Now Sarah will practice this with you, and you get to reorganize the carpool classes.